Welcome to Sci-Fair Library's Tween-STEAM activity. Science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. Today we are going to create a simple machine, a lever of sorts. Our lever is going to help us pick things up from the ground without bending over, or reach things that are a little bit high up for us to grab with our hands. So first, let's gather the supplies we need. So for your supplies, you're going to need to grab some cardboard, some brads or fasteners for the joints, a ruler, a pencil. You can also use a marker or a pen, but you're definitely going to need the pencil for another purpose as well. You're going to need scissors, and then if you choose to decorate your dragon with tissue paper, you're going to need the tissue paper and glue and some glitter for maybe some embellishments. However, if you want to go the marker or paint route, you can do that as well, and then you don't need the tissue or the glitter. All right, let's get started. Step 1, measure out your strips. You want the strips to be about 9 to 10 inches long and 1 inch wide, and you're going to need 6 strips. So let's do that. For step 2, what we're going to do is draw out the dragon head, and you want it to look like just slightly thicker, more embellished strips of cardboard. So here I'm drawing the top of my dragon head, the nose, and adding some teeth. Then I'm going to do the same thing for the bottom, except for I'm just going to add teeth. Step 3, decorate the body. Color or glue tissue of your choice to the body strips. After decorating all of your pieces of the head and the body, next thing you're going to do is poke holes. You're going to poke one hole at the top, one hole in the middle, and one hole at the end of 4 of your strips. Then on the last 2 of your strips, you're only going to poke a hole through the center and one tip. Then you're going to make one last hole in the head of your dragon. Our last step is going to be connecting all the pieces. So first you're going to lay out your pieces. The 2 end pieces have only 2 holes, and you're going to mark across them. Then you're going to put your next piece over. Then you're going to connect them with your fasteners. Let's try it out. Now that you have the basic idea, You can try it with different materials. You can even try making it with the same materials, but maybe on a bigger scale and see how it works. Have fun!